Today we learn about serial adder. Okay, serial adder. So till now you see whatever FSMs it accept data at a time once. Suppose you perform previously 2's complement for 4 number 0010 bit number, but you taking input serially means for first clock pulse 0 will enter, for second clock pulse 1 is entered, for third clock pulse 1 is entered, for fourth clock pulse 0 is entered, right? That is the FSM. Serially it accepts the data, right? So in serial adder also the data will accept serially. Okay. So for suppose I am giving two numbers A and B. So A is A naught A1, B is B naught B1. Means I am performing two two-bit numbers, right? I am performing two-bit numbers. How you perform addition generally? You take two full adders, right? Full adder 1, full adder 2. Here I am giving A naught, here I am giving naught. Here A1, here B1. And the output of this carry is given to here, right? Output of carry is given to here. This is S naught, S1, and final carry is taken here. That is C1, right? So for this is the parallel adder, right? Parallel adder. Suppose I want 20 bit adder. Means A is 20 bit, B is 20 bit. What happened? You required 20 full adders, right? You require 20 full adders. The circuit becomes bulk, right? The circuit becomes bulk. To overcome this problem, I am taking a serial adder. So serial adder means, see, it is a one full adder. Okay, this is one full adder. I am taking input x1 and x2, two inputs because you performing addition. So x1 means two number, one something. Okay, x2 is another number. Okay, this another number. So for full adder we getting sum as well as carry, right? Sum as well as carry. Now I am doing addition. 0 plus 0, 0, right? Suppose I have 1 and 1 here. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1, right? Sum is 0, carry is 1. This carry is I am storing in memory. I am storing this carry in memory. Memory element. Okay. I am storing this carry in memory element. So after that we have to perform 3-bit addition, right? Full adder means 3-bit addition. 101, right? This one will store here, this comes to here, so we get 3-bit addition, right? 3-bit addition. So the memory element we storing is carry. The memory element stores the value of carry so that we can rotate here. So now what is input? 0 1, and what is the memory stored here? 1, 0 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, right? Carry is 1. Now again carry is 1, that will comes to here. Input is 1 1. Input is 1 1. So triple 1 means sum is 1, carry is 1. So this carry comes to here for next clock pulse, right? And inputs is 0 0 0 0 plus 1. So output is 1, carry is 0, right? like that it is rotating. So for more number of bits, what happen? We have single full adder and one memory element, only one memory element, because one bit only. Carry is one bit, either 0 or 1. So we required only single memory element, right? Single memory element. Okay, so simple. One full adder with one flip flop. So you can perform any bit number of addition. But what is the problem in this one? Clock. Time is delay. Time delay. Because output is getting after fourth clock pulse for 4-bit number, right? For 4-bit number, we getting output at fourth clock pulse. For 20-bit, we get at 20th clock pulse, means 20 seconds may be delayed, right? But parallel adder at a time we getting output, means single clock pulse. Okay, but the disadvantage is circuit is bulk, but here circuit is simple. Okay, circuit is simple. Now this is the circuit. Now you have to draw the state diagram. Before drawing the state diagram, let us draw the truth table. So x1, x2, okay, x1, x2, present state is carry here, right? Present state is previous carry, right? Next state means current carry and output is z. Output is z, right? Output is z. Output is z. Now I am giving 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Inputs are only two. Means how many combinations are possible? 0, 0 combination, 0, 1 combination, 1, 0 combination, 1, 1 combination. We can possible these four combinations only. Okay. Now what is addition? Triple zero means 0, 0, 1, 0. Sorry, Z means output, right? Sum. NS means carry. So 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1 means carry 1, sum 0. Next 0, 0 plus 1. So sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Triple 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. Right? This is the general full adder truth table. Now, I am converting this one into state diagram. Right? We have how many states? Only two states. That is A, B. So, A is carry with 0. B is carry is 1. Okay, B is carry is 1. So here carry is 0. How many times we get? These three conditions: 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 conditions. So let us see. Now inputs. Check for inputs. How many possible inputs? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And present state is 0. This is present state is 1. Means this part is belongs to B state, right? This part is belongs to B state, and upper part is belongs to A state. Upper part is belongs to A state, down part belongs to B state. So let us see. Present state is A, means 0, all are zeros. Now inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? For 0, 0, for 0, 0. What is next state? 0 only. 0 means here, means you staying here only. You staying here only. What is output? Output is 0. Output is 0. Okay. Now for 0 1. For 0 1. What is next state? 0 only. Means you are staying here only. So put comma. So for 0 1. You are staying here only. But output is 1. Output is 1. Next 1 0. 1 0. For 1 0 next state is 0 only. Again you staying here. So put comma. So what is next state? 0 and output is 1. So for 1 0 output is 1. You staying in here only. You are staying here only. Now for 1 1. For 1 1. Next state is 1. So you are going to B. You are going to B. Present state is A. You are going to 1. So this is B. So whenever 1 1, output is 0. Whenever 1 1, output is 0. Okay. Next. Next thing is check for 0 0. For 0 0, now you are locating in B, right? See, present state is B. So for B, what is next state? It is 1. So for 0 0, whenever you are in B, whenever input is 0 0, you are going to A, because next state is 0 and output is 1. Output is 1. Now again you are in present state in B. Present state is B and I am giving input 0 1. Input 0 1. We getting next state is 1 only. So you are staying here only. You are staying here only. So whenever 0 1, output is 0. Right? You are staying here only. For remaining three conditions, you are staying here only. So 1 0, 1 1. Right? So for 1 0, output is 0. For 1 1, output is 1. For 1 1, output is 1. So this is the state table. Right? Sorry, this is the state diagram. State diagram. Now I want state table. I want state table. Okay. I want state table. So the state table is, we require present state, next state comma z. Now inputs. Inputs x is equal to what? Double zero here. So I am notating x1, x2. X1, x2. X1, x2 is 0, 0. Next x1, x2 is 0, 1. Next x1, x2 is 1, 0. Next x1, x2 is 1, 1. Right? So x1, x2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right? Now here present states we have A and B only. So A, B only. Right? A, B only. So for A, input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. For these three states, we required A only. For these three inputs, the next state is A only. So A, A. For 1, 1, we getting B. Okay, for 1, 1, we getting B. So what is outputs? 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Here output is 0. Next for B state. This is B state. For 0, 0, we getting A. For remaining all things, we getting B only. So B, 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 right? 4 B, 3 B's. Next output, for 0, 0, we getting output 1. For 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1. So this is the state table of serial adder, right? Serial adder. This is state diagram of serial adder. Okay, this is milli mission only. This is the milli mission only. Okay, this is milli mission only. You yourself try more. Yourself try more mission. Okay, understood? Thank you.